Ang UPIS students at leaders tulad ng mga scholar ng bayan ay matapang, matalino at walang takot kahit kanino. Hindi lamang mga issue sa loob ng university at sa loob ng ating pamantasan ang pinakikialaman at kinakasangkutan ng mga UPIS students. Kahit ang mga issue sa pambansa tulad sa panahon ng pagpapanagot at pagpapatalsik sa isang korap at pahirap na Pangulo ay nilahukan ng mga UPIS students.
UPIS, we try to develop leaders who will be good not only as leaders but as a friend. Actually, you don't want a leader who you cannot approach.
Kumikilos yan ng hindi inuutusan. Sariling sikap ika nga.
As a sign of good leader, you should know what's actually happening in the real situation or real area or group of students. And most of our students are hands-on in everything.
Even if they are outside the university, they always remember, they always bring with them the characteristics that UPIS and the values that UPIS have instilled in them, which are, again, makatao, makakalikasan, makabayan.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, patuloy ang UPIS students at leaders na maging natatangi sa kanilang mga larangan at patuloy na nag-aalay ng kanilang talino at ng kanilang galing para sa pagsusulong ng kapakanan at karapatan ng sambayanan.